我怎么能不难过？你却磨灭了心中的火，我还能够怎么说？怎么说都是错。你对
Let's pull back this cover to take a look at the brand new McLaren W1. Check this out from here at the McLaren Technology Centre. This is the new hybrid hypercar, the follow-on from the F1 and the P1. There are 399 cars in total, all sold before it was introduced. Launched at the 50th anniversary of McLaren's first Formula One World Championships. We've got doors that open upwards, a new V8 engine back here, total of 1,275 horsepower, 4-litre twin-turbo 8-cylinder. This is the active long tail. This wing extends to an aero position and also fully out to race mode, where it then sits 300 millimeters out of the rear, acting as an extended diffuser. Incredible downforce, 1,000 kilos at 280 kilometers an hour. It's the fastest lapping McLaren of all time. Insane performance, looks absolutely incredible. We've taken a first look here at the McLaren Technology Centre at the new